everyone. So let's do some birthday makeup. This is a little past due. My birthday was March 6th, but I never uploaded this video. So I'm doing a self-portrait photo shoot starting with my e.l.f. liquid poreless putty primer, rubbing that all over. And then I'm going to move on to brows, and I'm just combing through some eyelash glue, and then I'm going to go with a red cream color from my Amazon palette, and I'm going to start filling in my brows. Trust me, this looks crazy right now, but I promise you that it will all come together. I'm just combing through those to make sure they look nice. Then I'm taking my NYX multi-stick pencil in milk, and then I'm grabbing the Ciate Brazilian Glow palette. I'm going to start building up this shade and starting with the shape that I want. This is a maroon shade. Then I'm going to go in with a Morphe palette and grab this purple shade and kind of build up that color. And it's all about blending. Purples and like these mauves colors are super hard to blend, so you just really have to take your time and blend them out so that it looks nice and seamless. Next, I'm going in with this light purple shade, and I'm going to, light pink shade. I'm gonna keep blending that in and kind of go a little bit lower than that. And just blend and make sure everything looks nice and seamless, and gradient is kind of what I'm going for. Then I'm going back in with the NYX multi-stick to brighten that little pop right there on my lid. And then I'm going in with the Ciate shade from that Ciate palette, like this bright champagne shade. I absolutely love that shade. And then I'm going in with a red shade. I kind of wanted this to be super dramatic. Like I was going for a doll slash kind of utopian slash Bridgerton and kind of like Hunger Games inspired makeup look, if you will, my own version. So I wanted to bring the red up to my brows. So I really wanted this look to be very different and unique. So that's why it looks a little cray cray. I'm taking a break from the eyes. I'm going to come back and finish those, and I'm moving on to face with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, placing that all over. And now I'm going to mix the Maybelline Super Stay Skin Tint in shade 118 and the LA Colors White Foundation. I'm mixing that, and then I'm going to place that all over and buff it out with a brush. I don't know if I really like that LA Colors White Foundation. I've used it a couple times for Halloween looks, and to be honest, I'd rather just spend the extra money on the Melron face paints or use the Amazon palette because it is so drying. I've tried so many different techniques to make it not dry on my face, but it does not matter what I do, it is freaking dry. So I don't recommend that product. But I am going in with the NYX multi-stick again in milk to brighten, and then I'm going in with the e.l.f. camoConcealer, and then I'm going to set everything with the Hard Candy Lavender Press Powder. I love this stuff. It really brightens so much. This is my go-to with anything if I want to brighten my under eyes. I just love this, and I literally got it at the dollar store for $1.25. Then I'm taking a shimmery powder, and I'm actually going to put that underneath the eyes because I really want the under eyes to pop. I want to look more like angelic, if you will. Now I'm kind of reverse contouring on the nose, again with the multi-stick. I do this anyways in my own routine because I absolutely love it, and I feel like it really snatches my nose. And then I'm taking some pink and purple shades, the same shades I took on my eyes, and I'm kind of buffing that around my lips because I really want this to be like a diffused, pouty look on the lips, if you will. Obviously, I was getting myself up super hyped up for this photo shoot. I'm going to add a little bit of the same colors on my nose. I really want to bring everything together, you know, like that's kind of like what it is. I want this look to be really seamless and fun. Next, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Blush Balm in Savage Coral. I love this shade. You really only need a little tiny bit because it's super pigmented, and I'm just buffing that and blending that all over my cheeks. Next, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Pampered Blush palette. I love this palette so much. It is so pigmented, so beautiful. It's my go-to favorite. I think it was only like $4 or $5, make you hollers. Like, it is such a good price, such a good palette. Love it, cannot rave enough about it. Putting that all over my cheeks and kind of setting that cream blush that we laid down. And then next, I'm going in with a red lipstick, and I'm just kind of outlining the lips a little bit and filling them in. Okay, moving back to the eyes, I'm going to start placing lashes on, and I'm doing, I don't even know what lashes these are, to be honest. It's been so long since I filmed this, but any lashes will do. I really wanted some dramatic ones, and then I put a little bit, like I cut some up and put them on the lower lash line to make it more of a doll effect. Then I'm going to start adding some jewels all over my face. Next, taking the Metals Mania palette from Urban Decay, and I'm going to take the bright silver shade and put it on the inner corner to really brighten up that inner corner of the eye. In the next clip I'm going to show you, we got these big jewels from the Dollar Tree. I placed them all over my face, and then I added some feathers in my hair, and this is the look, boo-boo. I'm back. I'm going to touch up my pink right here really quick. And then I'm going to add a little bit more shimmer right there. So excited for y'all to see the photos. They're going to be sick. I'm going to add more glitter. Let's do the photo shoot.
Shut up and sit down.
What are the plans tonight, slut? Bitch, we're going out. Going where? It's a high-risk house.
I could say I told you